Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by duplicating the composition and isolating the segment with the object. This prevents accidental changes to the master. Once done, trim to the shortest possible range, often 1 to 3 seconds, so you work fast and keep RAM use low. Make sure motion blur is enabled and set render resolution to half during cleanup. It smooths edges and speeds previews. Now create a clean plate layer and place it above the footage. That clean plate is the foundation for object removal. You'll next track the object so your replacement stays aligned throughout motion. Use point tracking for simple moves or planar when perspective shifts. Attach a null to the track for reference. Once tracked, draw a precise mask around the object, then animate mask path if needed. Expand and feather the mask progressively, typically 5 to 30 pixels, to blend. Choose Content-Aware Fill, Alpha for simple textures, Surface for complex background movement. This generates frames that fill the masked gap automatically. Finish by refining and matching the filled area to surrounding pixels. Use the clone stamp for stubborn seams and add a subtle light trap to match highlights and shadows. Render short test sequences to check temporal consistency. Compare adjacent frames to confirm there's no flicker. If you see artifacts, retract the shot, extend or reconstruct the clean plate, or switch to manual patching and frame-by-frame clone work. One tip: if Content-Aware Fill creates jitter, smooth the track and rerun the fill to remove temporal noise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.